Your current help desk doesn't offer business benefits whatsoever. You'd like to level up with a new platform, but data migration seems to be a difficult task. Help Desk Migration Service can help you migrate help desk data automatically, code-free, securely. Here is how. Everything is quite simple. You sign up on our migration wizard via email or a social media account. Then you choose your current help desk platform and connect it to our migration wizard. Next is your desired help desk system. Choose it from the list and get it connected too. Be sure to check up if you got the admin rights on those platforms, otherwise you can't set up a demo or full data migration. Help Desk Migration is great at importing tickets, contacts, agents, groups, companies, and knowledge base objects. Match Items helps you to map your support agents. In a new tab, you see all available agents on the current platform and a drop-down list of reps on your desired system. If the platforms you've chosen got groups option, you can match them too. If you have missing agents or groups on your target platform, create them right away in our migration wizard. Just click the Add the Same Staff/Group on the Target button. Manage your data migration by mapping ticket fields and knowledge base articles. In simple English, you can set the required mapping and add missing fields right in Migration Wizard. Just click Match Fields and make the necessary changes. Everything is ready and it's time to start your demo migration. In a migration preview, you get 20 random tickets and 20 knowledge base articles with all related records. The results look great. Proceed to payment to start your full data migration. Every data migration is a unique project, so is yours. If you need some extra help during the migration, check out our support offerings and choose the most suitable one. Help Desk Migration's got thousands of successful data switches under our team's belt. Why do businesses choose our migration service? Run the setup easily with the intuitive migration wizard. Take control over customization and tailor your data migration painlessly. Plus, you can create custom fields while mapping. Give a test drive to our service using a free demo migration. Timing matters a lot, so choose the best date and time for running your help desk migration. Got any new or updated tickets and articles? Go for a Delta migration to update your data on a new platform. We care about data safety. Security policy includes regular audits, a reliable storage center, and 3 security layers. We constantly update our security certifications. Also, we got a great partnership company. We are recognized partners of Zendesk, Freshworks, Kayako, Help Scout, and many more. Ready to migrate? Go to App Help Desk Migration and get your data moving.